So you can see on the sign there, on the left,
They're all blue now, green.
M1 north is where we're going.
Yep.
Because what you're going to get either north, south, east or west, depending on which direction you approach.
Yeah.
We're going north.
Okay. I was in the right lane when it said here, so
yeah,
let's just follow it along. And then north left.
And left it is, first exit. Lights are on red. Probably going to change when you get there.
Yep. Wouldn't surprise me. Right, so the clutch is lower.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
So it's about 3-4 centimeters off, maybe 5 off the bottom.
Should do that, shouldn't I?
There's going to be little things that you forget, and you just got to remind yourself to, you know, check them mirrors like you say you're doing.
There we go.
As you get towards any major junction or a roundabout, motorway, you're going to get a lot more lanes when you get there. So we're going to go left onto the M1 north, is it M1N in the ground. You can see on the sign there, it's a left first exit.
All right.
Lights to control the traffic again.
On here. I think the brakes have had a cool off moment now. So.
I think they have, yeah, because all it was downhill all the time. And then it's braking hard, it does get hot.
There we go, there's a pull off.
There we go.
That's better.
And you just build speed up.
Oh, and there's lorries everywhere.
Don't worry about them. All you've got to do is get yourself into the left lane to start with. And you start checking, because there's a bit more traffic. Is that lorry on your right?
Yeah.
Just drop off the gas and get ahead of you. Stick your signal on. In you come. That's it.
Nice.
And then just cruise. Do you want to put your cruise control on?
Oh, I forgot that this car had that.
So press the cruise button. Oh, services. We'll get off at the next mile, Watford Gap.
Okay. Should I come across to the left now?
I would start pulling in, yeah. Start bringing yourself in. Because miles, when we're doing like 65 miles an hour,
it's going to come quite quick.
Within a few minutes, you're going to be there. And so that's a good time to have a little break. You know, we've been driving now for 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Give or take a few minutes.
Tell you, one of the most exciting things of being able to drive yourself was going through a drive-through for the first time.
Was it?
Yeah.
Which drive-through did you go to?
McDonald's. It was the first one I went to.
I've got a video on that. I'll put it on the top.
My friend always said when I passed my test that she wants to eat McDonald's, sat in a car park together. So we did that. I passed my test, we went to McDonald's and we sat eating it together.
Has she passed the test yet?
No, she's not. She hasn't even started learning how to drive. Although I did explain to her how you actually pull off.
Here's your countdown markers. There you go.
I did explain to her how you actually start moving the car.
So when she takes her test and passes, it's her turn.
Yeah, it will be.
Remember, these slip roads are usually shorter, so you start slowing down more.
Early.
So brake a bit harder, brake harder. That's it, a lot harder than you normally do.
Ooh, something's coming at me.
It comes on pretty quickly, don't it?
Yeah.
And it's telling you there, the cars are straight to the left, so you follow it round to the left, it's saying. And then just slow it right down.
Okay, we're just going to go straight a second.
Just take your time now.
Follow around here.
Yeah, whatever you want. Yeah, I think they both go round.
Oh, I've seen parking spaces and it's making me nervous.
You can either drive in or reverse in.
Just going forwards, you know.
Yeah.
That's my.
Obviously, it's like any car
My
park. The
go-to.
closer you get to the shops, the more cars are there.
I'm good. I'm good. You know, there's parking spots. We'll go in here. Oh, I've picked a tight one with a boot in.
That's it. Just take your time.
See, the thing is, now that I've passed my test, I can go back if I need to without feeling guilty. Which is what I'm going to have to do.
No,
I think I'm slightly wonky.
it's not bad. The reverse for us is across your leg more.
Oh, there we go. I forgot about the beat.
This, keep an eye on these three people. They're going to walk behind in a second.
Behind me.